Yes, my people, it's your mentor Abissons and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple binary option strategy that can make you $40 in every 5 minutes. Okay, so stay tuned until the end of this video if you want to learn about this amazing strategy. And in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing so that anytime I upload videos like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. So without wasting so much time, let's begin. All right, welcome back, guys. So let me explain how this strategy works. So this strategy works in a 1 minute time frame. So you make sure you change the time frame here to 1 minute, and then the duration we are gonna change to 5 minutes. All right, so after that you change the amount to $50. All right, because we want to make $40 per trade, which means in each trade we are gonna trade with 5 minutes duration with $50 stake. So that means you're gonna get $46 in profit. All right, $46 profit. So now you analyze the market. So for you to analyze the market, you need to understand price action on the market structure. So you can see here we have a downtrend structure. So you need to look for a good trend, like if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. All right, like this one, you can see we had a long downwards trend. This is a downtrend structure. So you can see we had a downtrend structure. Let me put it more visible, like this. So this is a downtrend structure. So it is forming lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, and this one came up to down there. Let me take this one. Let me put it like this so that you can see it clearly. All right, so these are lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and another lower low, lower high, another lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Sorry, this is not a lower low. So this is not a lower low. It is not lower than this one. So now this is the lower low. Now it is coming back from another lower high. Then we expect another lower low. So if you look at this trend, it's forming lower lows and lower highs the way it's supposed to form. And now after the market came here, you can see it went down with almost, let me count how many candlesticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one was enough. If you place a trade 5 minutes, this one was enough for the trade to end in profit. All right, so that was a good one, right? So you look for a good trend and get your entries either with the trend line or with the horizontal zones. So if we analyze this market with the horizontal, this is the first zone here, then the second one should be here. Okay, this is the second one. You can see this reversal points here, guys. This one, this one, this one, then we have these ones here, this one. So it is connecting. All right, so they are connecting. So those are reversal areas. Then the next one, I think it is this one below here, this one, because of the reversal points here. You can see them, these ones. Okay, so we'll see they are connecting at the front. Yeah, this one. Sorry, you cover these wicks properly like that, then we drag it like this. So I think they are connecting here. Then after that we have another one here. All right, so that's a zone. Yeah, that's a zone. So if you do like this, you'll see that's why the price has reversed. This is a fake breakout and up again. So it is coming here. All right, so since this price is coming again at this trend line, we will be expecting the market to continue going down. All right, but we suspect that it might come to this zone if it breaks the trend line. So we'll just observe how it will react to this trend line, and if it gives us a confirmation candlestick, we will drop with it. All right, but if it breaks, we wait for it to reach here, then we wait for a reaction, then we place a down trade for 5 minutes. Here we don't trade an uptrend until the price breaks this zone and comes back to retest. That is when we can decide to buy. But remember, they can still do that and come back and make this one a fake breakout. All right. Okay, so let's wait and see how they will react to this zone. Okay, let's wait and see how they are gonna react to that zone. So this is a good downtrend. Let me put a notification here so that when they reach there, we will get notified. So let's go to another. This is another uptrend. You can see we had a very strong uptrend here. This is a very strong uptrend, very strong one. Okay, this one we use this trend line to mark the first touch and the second. So this is the first one and the second. This one, first touch, second touch. So this was the third one. So if you could have placed a trade here for 5 minutes expecting the price to continue going up, that was a clean win. Even if you combine with the horizontal line or the horizontal zone, if you analyze this market from the bottom heading to the top, this is another zone, and the next one here, and another one here. So this zone is they're a bit close, so we need to confirm from the back if that zone is valid. Okay, if the zones are too close, we confirm from the back. So we have something here, you can see here, then we have something here as well, this one. Okay, so let's see, we have something here. So let's see which one will be considered as a zone. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, we have something here. This one, you have something here. Okay, that's a zone. That's a zone, guys. So this is our next zone. Okay, so we will choose this one as our zone. Then this one is a minor zone. So the minor zone was being respected here. Okay, this is the minor zone, so they respected that one, combined with the trend line. So that's a minor. So the major zones, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Right? Remember, they're not supposed to be too close. Okay, yeah, you see, that's a minor zone. Okay, and this is valid. So those are major zones. This one should be here, the top. The price is coming, that should break it. But this one is an opportunity that is already gone, so you cannot use this one. You are supposed to place the trade at least here. If you combine the minor zone and the trend line, right? What matters is that we are in an uptrend and we need a long-term trend. So this is a long-term trend and it will continue going up. So that opportunity is gone. Let's look for another one. So we had another one here. This is also a nice uptrend, guys. It is a very long trend. But if I look at this, trend, let's confirm it is. That mini is changing. The trend is changing. I think it is changing. The trend is changing, guys. Because let me put this one. Okay, so you can see this is an uptrend and the trend is changing. The uptrend structure is broken at this point. It was broken, they came back to retest, now they are dropping. So now I think we wait for them to break this zone. Okay, this is a zone. We wait for them to break, come back to retest, then we sell. All right, or even if they break and do a minor retest, you can still sell. Okay, yeah, as long as they break that zone. So let's analyze the market with major zones and confirm if the change of character is complete. So here we have a zone, then the next zone should be this one. This is the next one. Okay, this is the next zone, because this one will be too close, guys. Let me see. Let me remove this thing. Yeah, so this one, I think it's okay. Yeah, that one should be there. Then the next one, this one here, we confirm from the back. Let's confirm from the back. We have something here. See this one, we have something here. They are connecting, guys. They are connecting. They are connecting. The another one is this one. Okay, they are connecting. You can see they are connecting to this one. There is something here. This one. So that's a zone. They are connecting. The next one, let's see. We'll use this one. This one is the next one. Let's see if there is something from the back. There's nothing, so we leave it like that, because of this reversal here, right? That's how I place it. Then we have another zone here, so let me put it there. Let me copy this. This is another zone, so you can see the price is already trying to break it. I think it's here. Okay, oh, this here, it has already been broken. Then we have the last one here, so let's put it here, since that's the highest point the market reached. So those are the zones. So this one, I've put this zone here because of this reversal. This one. We have something here, so that's a zone. Okay, that's a valid zone. So the price has already broken, and remember it had broken the first time, went back to retest here instead of this one. So this one turned to be a fake out or a fake breakout. Same to this one, can do the same, but since I can see the trend is changing, we can drop with it, guys. We can drop with it. It is a change of character. Let me see. Can use this one. Okay, we can use that one. So you can see it's going inside again. So we're expecting a retest, then we drop with it. So that market is supposed to come up to this place. Okay, it was a long trend. Now it is changing, so it's supposed to come down here. This is another trend for trying to form, right? So let's see what will happen if they reach the trend line. Let's see. Okay, they have reached the trend line. They're trying to break it. We'll wait for a reaction, for confirmation. Let's wait for confirmation. It has broken the trend line, coming to the the minor zone. There is a minor zone here, horizontal. Okay, I think that is where it has retested in that zone. So it is now coming down to give us a confirmation candlestick, then we sell, right? Yeah, this is a nice rejection. Now this is this one can give us a confirmation for us to drop. Let me place a down trade 5 minutes, right? So let's wait and see how the candle close. If it closes with a good momentum candlestick, we will sell for 5 minutes with $50, right? So we are remaining with 15 seconds, and you can see it is going to close with a good candlestick. Let's get ready to sell. Let's get ready to sell. So that is not a good momentum. So let's wait for another one. This rejection here is very dangerous. We need to study the candlesticks as well. So let's wait. You can see they are going up again. So let's see if they react here again and come down. Let's wait for another momentum candle. Finally, guys, we are going to have a good momentum candlestick here. So we can go down with this one for 5 minutes. So we're expecting the price to continue dropping, right? Yeah, so it should come up to this place. Okay, it should drop up to that place. So I'm expecting the price to go down. So we have a nice rejection candlestick here, momentum. Now we are supposed to continue dropping. That's enough confirmation. So 5 minutes is enough for this trade, all right? 5 minutes will be enough for this trade. So let me delete this one because the chart looks so dirty here, and I don't like dirty charts, guys. I like it when my chart is clean. This one I'll also have to delete it. So let's use this one, all right? Okay, so let's wait for the results. Alright, guys, just as I expected, you can see the price has dropped very well. We're remaining with 2 seconds, and boom. So we have won that trade, and you can see the price went down just as I expected, and it is supposed to reach at this zone, right? It's supposed to reach at this zone. So I'm expecting the price to reach at that zone, right? So just like I said, you look for a trend. You can see we had a downtrend here after this long uptrend movement. So that was a change of character. It's supposed to continue dropping and break this zone, come to the next zone, which is this one, then comes back, do a retest, then continue going down, come to the next zone, break it, okay, like that, to form another trend, which is a downtrend. So that is the expected movement. All right, so we look for the last opportunity and place another trend. So you can see here we have a long uptrend. We had already analyzed this uptrend, and you can see the price has already been broken, just as I expected. All right, after the price reversed from this place, we're supposed to break this zone and form a new higher high. So now I am expecting the price to come back and retest, then we buy. Okay, since you're still in an uptrend, so that you will confirm that the trend has changed only if they break this zone plus this trend line. Then they come back to retest, and then we drop with them. All right, but if they have not broken the trend line to the downside of the zone, we are still in an uptrend and we can still flow with it. Remember, we just flow with the trend. All right, that is how the strategy works. You flow with a trend. All right, so here we had a minor retest, which we could have used it. Yeah, after this momentum could have placed trade here 1 2 3 4 5. So that was a clean win, though it was a bit tricky there because the price was consolidating. But let's wait for a major retest. They can see it is coming, then we place an uptrend. All right, yeah, so let's wait. They are coming to retest this zone, then we buy. Okay, after confirmation. So let's wait and see what will happen, guys. So you can see the price failed to reach the zone retest. They just retested this minor zone here. Now they are going up, so we cannot use that one. Let's look for another market or another opportunity. These ones failed to reach at the zone. Now they are reaching. Okay, yeah, these ones failed to reach at the trend line. Now they are reaching at the trend line. This one, we also analyzed this market earlier. It's a strong downtrend, so we can still buy. We still have a chance to sell, not to buy, to sell. So let's see how they will react at this trend line, or maybe they'll come to this one to react at this zone. So we need to wait for confirmation. You cannot just place a trade according to this strategy. All right, we just need to flow with the trend, and that is after confirmation. So you can see they have broken that trend line. Now let's wait and see how they will react. Okay, the candlestick have not closed, so you cannot consider that as a breakout, because if they come back and close inside, that will not be a breakout. So you can see there is a high chance for it closing outside the trend line. I think I'll be expecting it. Yeah, it's coming at that zone. That is the zone we are waiting for it at. So if they reach there, we'll wait for reaction. If they break this zone, that is when we consider this one as a breakout. Then we'll be expecting a break of a change of trend. Okay, so let's hope they will not break that zone, because if they break that zone, we'll have to wait for them to come back and retest, and we buy. Let's hope they will just reverse from here and continue dropping. We're still in a downtrend, guys, until they break this zone. If they break this zone, then we know that that's a change of character. The trend is about to change, so we will not place until they do a retest and confirm. So you can see the price is being rejected from that zone. So let's wait and see. If they break that zone, then we won't place a trade until they come back to retest. So now you can see the price is trying to drop. Okay, let's go. If they close with a red momentum, I'm going to sell, right? Yeah, so let's hope this one will close with a red momentum. A good one, okay? Not just a red momentum, a good red momentum. Healthy candlestick, right? So if they engulf the green one, that will be better, okay? That will be even more better. Nice one. It is gonna be nice. 7, the remaining with 5. Okay, they're trying to push back. That's not a good momentum candlestick. We have a rejection here, so we'll have to wait again. This is not a good momentum. This rejection talks a lot, guys. This rejection talks a lot. You don't have to ignore, okay? You don't have to ignore that rejection. So let's wait for another one, right? Don't ignore this rejection. It speaks a lot, so don't ignore. Let's wait for another candle. Good momentum candlestick. If there is we had this rejection at the top, that will be a good momentum, showing us the price has been rejected from the top. We are expecting the price to continue pushing down. But since we have a rejection, it tells us that the price, there is a pressure that has pushed this candle from here to here. So can still push it to the upside. So we need to be careful. So let's wait for another momentum candlestick, a good one, a good momentum candlestick, not just any candlestick. So you can see the price is unable to pass this zone. This is where the price is rejected from. Okay, and you can see the price is unable to pass there. So that's why I'm telling you guys, it is not good to ignore the wicks. These wicks talks a lot. You need to respect them. All right, so we have another rejection from the top. Let's hope it will close it out a good kind of like a long body. That will be a good momentum candlestick, right? Yeah, if this one gives us a good, if it, yeah, okay, this one we can say this is a good candle, right? This is a good momentum candle with a long wick. So this one we can sell, right? That one we can sell. So let's wait for the results. Okay, this one we can sell. It's a good momentum. The candlestick is good, healthy, and the wick so also tells us that there's a pressure that pushed it from the top. So that one will continue dropping. Trust me. So we're expecting the price to reach here, right? So let's wait for the results. Alright guys, so you can see you're remaining with 4 seconds and so the price has moved just as we expected, guys. Massive down movement. So since this was a downtrend, and the price did not break this zone, that means we are still in a downtrend. All right, even if it is above this trend line, we are still in a downtrend as long as they have not broken this zone to the upside. That's why I had confidence in this one, placing a trade a downtrend, expecting the price to drop, and you can see it dropped up to the zone I expected it to reach, and it has broken the way it is supposed to. According to the market structure, it's supposed to break this zone and come to this zone, then come back to retest, then we continue going down according to the market structure. So if you don't understand the market structure, then this strategy might not work for you. You might not understand what you're doing. So for you to learn that, you can join our mentorship with the link in the description and learn how to trade with price action. Okay, and this strategy works in all binary options platforms, but I recommend this one, which is Cortex platform. It is a beginner friendly, it is a user friendly platform, so anybody can use it. So even if you're a beginner who is just starting, this is the best place for you to start from. Right, so if you don't have an account, you can create one with the link in the description. You're gonna receive a free 10,000. You can see in my demo I have $10,000, free $10,000 for you to practice before you shift to your live account, right? Yeah, so that's how good this platform is. So you can create account with the link in the description and start practicing with the free $10,000, right? So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you learned something, please like this video, and you can also share the video. And in case you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing now, so that anytime I upload this type of videos, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. All right, so let's meet in the next video.